Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2026 Toyota BZ. As Toyota continues to expand its electric vehicle lineup, the BZ is designed to deliver a quiet, efficient, and confidence-inspiring driving experience. With regenerative braking and the added weight of an EV platform, dependable braking components are essential to maintaining smooth and predictable performance. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads are engineered to provide quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and consistent stopping performance under EV-specific driving conditions. Designed to work seamlessly with regenerative braking systems, they help deliver the refined braking response drivers expect. Supporting that performance are DFC's GeoSpec coated rotors, built to resist corrosion while maintaining reliable braking characteristics over time. OE-specific hardware kits and fitment help technicians complete installation efficiently and restore factory-level braking performance. Whether the BZ is used for daily commuting or longer highway drives, DFC braking components help deliver the confidence, comfort, and control expected from a modern electric crossover. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC proudly supports the 2026 Toyota BZ with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.